Welcome to the Shiatsu back, shoulder and neck massager with heat. Say goodbye to aches, cramps and tension with this electric deep tissue 4D kneading massage. Our massager features 8 deep tissue kneading nodes, delivering a soothing and relaxing experience to your strained muscles. The advanced heating function, with infrared technology, provides the necessary warmth to ease muscle tension and stress. You have complete control with our adjustable speed and direction control. Choose from 3 adjustable speeds and change the direction with just a press of a button. Or let the massager do its magic with its automatic change of direction every minute. With its automatic shut-off after 15 minutes, you can rest easy and fall asleep during your massage. Take your massage anywhere with you. Our massager comes with a home power adapter and car charger, allowing for total body relaxation in the office, car, or while traveling. The long cable length provides extra space and comfort. This Shiatsu back, shoulder and neck massager with heat is the perfect gift for anyone who needs a little extra TLC. With our 30-day money-back guarantee and 1-year replacement, you can rest assured that you're making a great investment. Start your journey to a pain-free life today.